Welcome to Sprit Shack. This is the MEL meter. The model number is MEL 8704R. So basically, this is a premium quality EMF meter. So it's really sensitive and it's very accurate. So on the back we have the panel for your battery. So you take the screw out, takes a 9-volt square battery. It also has a nice neat little pull-out stand, so you can stand it up. Also, it has the female 1/4" thread, so if you want to put it on a tripod, whatever you can do, which is another handy feature. It does have lots of advanced features, but in this video we're just going to show you the basics. Comes a little instruction manual there. So to turn it, oh yeah, also the antenna, that's detachable. So if you're going to carry it around in a bag or something, I'd advise taking that off, so it doesn't get bent and snap. And we've also got the temperature probe there, so it tells you the EMF and temperature. So to turn it on, you have to hold it for an unusually long time. It's about 5 or 6 seconds. There we go. So the backlight's on by default. So it's at the top's the EMF reading in milligauss, and below that is the temperature in Celsius, but you can change the units of both. So if you want to change the unit of the EMF, just press the unit button there. So milligauss and UT. The backlight we can turn on and off. So there we go. It does have more features than that, but I'm just showing you the basics. So yeah, incredibly sensitive, incredibly accurate. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.